Hey guys, Huck Sports Cards here. Hope everybody's having a blessed day. Well guys, we're getting close to the Nationals and only about a couple weeks away and everything. I'm looking forward to that. I've never been to the Nationals before. This will be the first time, so I'm excited about that. Looking forward to meeting a lot of the guys that do YouTube channels like myself. I know that there's going to be some kind of a get together on Thursday night, so I'm looking forward to that, meeting a lot of guys. But guys, today on this episode, I want to show you some of the stuff that I'm going to be sending in to PSA. Me and a buddy, Andy from work, are going to be sending some stuff in. So I want to show you some of that stuff they're going to be sending in. A lot of nice cards. Got some Kobe Bryants in there and stuff. But guys, let's go take a look at it. All right, guys. Well, here's just some of the cards that we're going to be sending in. Got some pretty cool Kobe Bryant cards right here. Got this Topps Chrome and a Topps Finest right here. These cards look really nice. Hopefully getting pretty good grades on these things. I think it's always a good idea to send Kobe's in if you think you can get definitely 9s and 10s on these things, maybe even 8s. So, but pretty nice cards there. Got a Kobe right here, Stadium Club. I think is that Jeff Hornacek in the background? Getting ready to watch his dunk. I think it is. Matter of fact, and got Magic Johnson right here. Got a Kareem sticker card right there. So then. Got Charles Barkley. Now these are, what are these? 1987-88 Flair, I think. So, yeah, this Charles Barkley and Kareem, you could see that they're pretty nice shape. So, really nice. So hopefully they grade well. I mean, hopefully at least 9s on these two right here, definitely. And you got a really nice Pujols and the Ichiro card. So that card's in pretty good shape. You can see a little bit of white right there. So definitely won't come back a 10, but could possibly still come back a 9. But I would say I'm gonna guess an 8 on there. I haven't really looked at the back of that card either. Let's see. Yeah, that's pretty nice. So I'm gonna guess a 8 on that one. That's gonna be my guess. And you got a Allen Iverson card there. Skybox, that's a pretty cool looking card. Then another Kobe Bryant, Topps Finest. So pretty nice looking card. And you got Magic and Bird. So it's two, once again, that's two nice looking cards. I mean, they almost look like they just came out of the pack. Really, they look really, really nice. You got this Larry Bird sticker card. Looks like it's got Kareem in the background along with Robert Parrish on that card. And you got some baseball cards here. Gonna be sending in. Gonna send this Trout in right here. So it's pretty sharp card, really nice. I'm guessing this is gonna be a 10. And I like this card right here. It's a purple Heritage, Topps Heritage card. Really, really nice. So, I mean, the reason why I'm sending these two in, that I really think they're both going to get 10s. I mean, they're really, really nice. Even if they come back 9s, it'd still be worth sending them in. But if they were to get anything less than 9s, then it would be a real disappointment. It'd be really a waste of money sending them in. Then I got two Ripken cards here. I'm gonna send in. Honestly, this Donruss card right here, 82 Donruss, his rookie card, it's really a hard one to get centered up real well. As you can see, it's still a little bit off on this one and everything. So, you know, but these two are pretty nice cards. And I think I've already showed these two in my last video. Got this cryptocurrency rookie card that I'm gonna also send in to get graded. And I've already mentioned the Bryce Harper card is a short print. So I'm really hoping for a 10, but probably more likely gonna get a 9 on this one, which I hope it'll still be worth somewhere between $15 to $2,000. So that's what I'm hoping there. This Ohtani rookie card, Allen Againer, and the Ken Griffey Jr. Topps Chrome card. So that's going to be some of them going to send in and get graded. All right, guys. Well, I appreciate you watching today. Yeah, like I said, hopefully get some good grades on these cards. I've got some coming back here next week, so I'll do a video of that, of a PSA reveal. It won't be a blind reveal because I always look at my grades as soon as they pop. I look and see what I got. I can't wait that long. I'm not one of them guys that can wait. Not sure if a lot of people that say they're doing a blind reveal actually do a blind reveal, but I can't. I'll tell you that right now. But guys, like I said, I'll be doing that video next week as soon as I get those back. But guys, I appreciate you watching today. Until next time, we'll see you later.